Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So the Christmas is over, New Year is over, market will be back on track, and I'll be coming regularly from today onwards. Okay. So first of all, a very happy New Year. Hopefully this year you'll make good money and you'll be a disciplined trader too. So let's get started. So first of all, this is the weekly chart of Euro USD here. And if you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then I was telling that we have an upside on the higher time frame because market was trying to take support at a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement on the weekly chart, and as per our expectation, market did take support, and right now we can see that Euro USD at last trying to go up, trying to recover from this huge fall. But still, do we can we consider this as a trend reversal? No, we cannot be too confident about about the trend reversal. But yes, right now things look good, and there is a possibility of some recovery. That's it. Okay. So if you have an ongoing buy position on Euro USD, if you have a long position, it may be swing trade or positional trade, then I'll suggest that you should be continuing your position because things at last things look good on Euro USD. Okay, and if I take you to the 4 hours chart of Euro USD, then you can see things have changed a little bit because previously 1.1350 to 1.1380 was acting as a very strong resistance for the market, but yesterday we saw some heavy selling on DXY US dollar, and it broke the resistance, and the last traded price is 1.1383, so it is trading above the resistance of 1380. Okay, so at first let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of DXY first, because knowing the movement of DXY is also very important. So DXY overall uptrend in sideways for many days. Right now there is some selling pressure, but keep in mind this is not a trend reversal because we still have 95.50 standing here as support, and overall this whole zone is a support for DXY. This is not a breakout. 95.80 to 95.50 is a support zone for DXY. So there is a possibility on Monday that market will try to recover from this particular position only, and in case market slips also, 95.50 will be standing as the next support for DXY. And in case there is a sudden selling pressure on DXY, if it breaks the level of 95.50, then keep in mind then the next level will be 95 level. Okay, the next support for DXY will be 95 if 95.50 surrenders, but still we have a good hope for 95.50 acting as the support for the market. Now let's talk about Euro USD. So as we all know, support becomes resistances and resistance becomes support in the market. So 1.1380 was the resistance, so there is a possibility of 1.1380 will be acting as the new support for the market. Okay, because it was the resistance, so it will be acting as the new support. But still, do we have the confirmation? No, because the transition takes some time. Okay, and this happened during the last trading hours. Okay, keep in mind this happened, market broke the resistance of 1.1380 during the last trading hours, so the transition is not complete yet. Do we have confirmation? No, we still do not have the confirmation whether this will be acting as a valid support or not. Okay, but I think that if market breaks also, listen to me carefully, if market breaks also the level of 1.1380, we have a possibility of 1.1350 providing the required support to the market. Okay, 1.13, if 1.1380 fails, because it was quite new, so 1.1350 will be acting as the support. I think so there is a good possibility here, and if market bounces from here, then obviously market will be going up from from here. But in case DXY shows sharp recovery, if you see DXY going up from here, then there is a possibility of market going down also. Okay, so things are not much clear, things are quite confusing. Okay, to be honest, things are very much confusing with Euro USD right now, because the only level that I think is 1.1350 may act as a support for the market. 1.1350 support for the market. Okay, so overall picture is not much clear here. I'll say that after the market opening, do not take any impulsive trade, because during the Christmas and the New Year, market acts crazy. So let the market settle down a little bit. Okay, and I'll be coming down on Monday as well, and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy after the market opening. Okay, so till then, be careful. Okay, be careful, because see, I am a trader myself, and I'm also a teacher. So it's my duty to show you the right path. It may be Euro USD. Euro USD may be the most popular currency pair, but right now things are not much clear. Okay, and if I take you to the Forex sentiment meter, you can see 59% are on the long position and 40% are on the sell side. So retail traders are also not giving us any clear direction. They are also confused whether market will be going up or going down. Okay, so Forex sentiment meter is also important. Let's see, let's wait and watch. Okay, if again I'm repeating, 1.1350 may provide support to the market. Do not trust much 1.1380. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.